Hello there, friends, and welcome. I am so excited you're here today. Guess what we're going to learn about? We're going to explore all the super fun and friendly ways we say hello to our family and friends. Ready? Let's go. So, let me ask you a question. How do you say hello? Do you give a big, friendly wave, or maybe a happy smile? Or maybe you have a super cool high five. There are just so many wonderful ways to greet people.
Okay, let's learn our very first greeting. This one is really special, and it's a very kind and peaceful way to say hello. Are you excited to see what it is?
Wow, look at this. Do you see what they're doing? They're putting their hands together right in front of their hearts and giving a little bow. It's such a beautiful way to show your friends. It's kind of like saying, all the nice things inside of me are saying hello to all the nice things inside of you. How cool is that?
Okay, let's try it together. Come on, put your hands together, right in front of your heart, just like you see here. And now let's say the special word, namaste. Awesome. Let's do it one more time just for fun. Namaste. You guys are amazing at this.
All right, rise and shine, sleepyheads. You know, when the sun wakes up and starts a brand new day, we have a very special greeting just for that time. Do you know what it is?
Look at that. It's a big, happy, smiling sun saying hello to all of us. When you see the sun popping up at the sky, it's the perfect time to greet the world with a happy, good morning. Let's all say it together with a big, happy, wide-awake voice. Are you ready? Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Good morning! Whoa, that was so loud and cheerful. I bet the sun heard you all the way up in the sky.
And whoosh, just like that, the day keeps on going and the sun climbs higher and higher into the sky. It's not morning anymore, which means it's time for a brand new greeting.
You see, as the day changes, our greetings can change too. It's how we say hello for every single part of the day. Let's find out what's next.
Now the sun is way up high above us. Maybe you're just getting home from school, or maybe you're playing outside in a park. Well, this part of the day has its very own special greeting.
Now for this one, let's use a bit of a calmer voice than our big "good morning" shout. Ready? Let's try it. Good afternoon. That was fantastic. You've totally got it.
Oh, look, the day is starting to get sleepy. The sun is going down, the sky is getting a little bit darker, and look, the moon is just starting to peek out and say hello. This is the perfect time for a gentle, quiet voice. Let's practice saying this one together. Good evening. Oh, that was lovely. It sounds so calm and peaceful. We've had such a busy day of greetings. The sun has gone to bed, the stars are twinkling in the sky, and it's time to get all cozy for our own bedtime. And yep, you guessed it, there's one last special greeting for that.
Just look at this picture. All tucked in, warm and snug, and totally ready for some wonderful dreams. This is the special greeting we say to our family and friends right before we close our eyes and drift off to sleep. Okay, for this one, let's all whisper it together so we don't wake anybody up. Are you ready? Shh. Let's try it. Good night, sleep tight. So, we learned namaste and good morning, which are awesome, but guess what? Around the entire world, there are hundreds of other wonderful ways to say hello. Let's check out a few more. Now, I want you to think about your own family. What do? Do you have a special hug you always share, or maybe a secret handshake? Do you ever say hello in a different language? Every family has its own special, wonderful way to greet each other. Take a look. Here are 2 more beautiful words that both mean hello. In some places, people say namaskar. Can you try that with me? Namaskar. Great. And in other places, they say vanakkam. Let's try that one. It's fun. Vanakkam. Isn't that amazing? There are so many cool ways to share a friendly greeting. So my big question for you is this. What new greeting are you going to try today? Maybe you'll surprise someone with a friendly namaste or a cheerful good afternoon. Go out there and share a wonderful new hello. Thanks for learning with me today. Goodbye, everyone.